Okay, so here we go. This is a quick little mini lesson on how to find the equation of a line from just 2 points algebraically, using nothing more than your math. So, first things first, you got to find the slope, and what I want you guys to do is start doing this right away. Identify the points as your x1, y1, x2, y2. Just label them so you don't forget, okay? We'll do these separately, but together. And this is y2. We'll do this one in a minute. This one's first. Let's find the equation of this line, okay? Right here. So I'm going to find the slope. First things first, replace my y2, y1 with numbers identified. Now be careful, I chose negative numbers on purpose. The equation says minus 2 minus negative 6, all over negative 7 minus 1. You got to remember, guys, minus negative means plus positive. So go in there and change those signs. I got 8 over negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is negative 1. Now, I know the slope of this equation. This is y equals negative x. I'm never going to write a negative 1 or a 1 as a coefficient, so get those habits in place right now. This right now is replacing the m with negative 1, so this is just negative x plus b. Now I got to solve for b. Okay, so choose either point. It doesn't matter which one you choose, and replace these points with x and y to solve for b. Let's do this one, okay? If y is negative 6 and x is 1, so this is just replaced. Now this is negative 1 plus b. Add 1 to both sides, and I get negative 5 equals b. So your equation is y equals negative x minus 5. And just to make sure I'm correct, I'm going to use the other point to make sure that this works. When I replace x with negative 7, I should get an answer of 2. So 2 equals negative 7 minus 5. This is now positive 7. 2 equals 7 minus 5, and 2 equals 2. So we did this correctly. So this is our equation. Y equals negative x. Oops, you can't see it. Negative 7 minus 5. There is that. Now, let's go on to this one over here. Okay? Same thing. Okay, I've already identified them as x1, y1, x2, y2, so negative 1 minus 5 all over the x's, negative 3 minus 4. Remember, guys, just so you don't get stuck on memorizing formulas, you're always doing your change in rise over your change in run. That's another thing about it. I copied everything correctly, good to go. Negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Now be careful, that's not our final answer. Our final answer, negative divided by negative, is always a positive. So I got the slope is going to be 6 sevenths. Okay? So there's that. Now I got to find the equation. So far, I know my equation is y equals 6 sevenths x plus b. So I want to think which one would be easier. Using mental math, I don't know, but let's just go with this one. Smaller numbers, probably easier times. So we'll go with those. Replace the y with the negative 1 equals 6 sevenths times negative 3 plus b. We can all see this good. We can run out of room. So negative 1 equals negative 18 sevenths plus b. I'm going to add, and I'm going to do this, you still see some space from this over here. So when I add 18 sevenths to both sides, I'm going to get 18 sevenths minus, I got to have this be the same denominator, so this multiply top and bottom by 7. This is minus 7 sevenths. So when I do that, I'm going to get 18 minus 7, which is 11 sevenths equals b. So your equation for this guy over here is going to be y equals 6 sevenths x plus 11 sevenths. Process. Follow the process, trust the process. I'll see you guys in class today.